Hey everybody, welcome to another video. My name's Jacob, and in today's video we're going to be talking all about the brand new performance yellow lenses available for all the Flex Era line. So today what we're going to be doing is installing them on Flex Era 1, Flex Era 3, and a Flex Era 4. They also fit on the Flex Era LED light bar. However, we just launched that. The video is already out on how to swap the lenses, so I'll link that below. But for now, let's dive into these guys. Okay, so diving right in, you're really only gonna need a couple of things. Obviously, you'll need your light, you'll need your performance yellow lens, as well as a set of Allen keys, and a clean work surface. It's ideal to do this in a dust-free environment. I'm a lot of dust-free, so we're gonna get this started here, and hopefully no dust gets in the lenses, in the lights. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and gather your Allen keys, and obviously your light. So diving right into step one, what we're going to go ahead and do is remove the bolts surrounding the perimeter of the face of each light. On the Flex Era 4 and the Flex Era 1, there were 4 bolts. On the Flex Era 3, there are only 3. Once you have the bolts removed, go ahead and take off the faceplate as well as the bezel on each of the lights. Once you have that off, go ahead and remove the clear lens as you're going to replace it. So in between the lens and the light, there is going to be a rubber gasket. Do note that if these are brand new lights, don't worry about replacing those. However, if these lights have seen some action, go ahead and replace that with the brand new one that came with your performance yellow lenses. So now it's just time for reassembly. Go ahead and put your lens back, the bezel, and then the faceplate, and reinstall those bolts that you removed earlier. When installing the bolts and torquing them down, just note that you don't want to go too tight. You want to make sure they're nice and snug. However, you don't want to apply too much pressure here. Just make sure it is sealed. And there you have it. They're installed. Okay, and that's it for installing the performance yellow on your Flex Era LED lights. Really excited about these. These are personally on my truck. These are some of my favorite lights. We're going to be coming out with a full education series based all around yellow versus amber versus white, a topic we've already discussed white versus amber, but now we want to bring in the performance yellow, really talk about the benefits and the differences between performance yellow and amber. So expect to see that soon. Till then, make sure to venture further.